Okay, hi there. What's up, Nashville? All right, I met these two guys who have an amazing business. Everybody needs to have this in their house. I'm going to let them introduce themselves and tell you a little bit about what they do, because you got to do it.
Hey,
Okay,
I'm Kevin.
Kevin.
I'm Kevin.
I'm Matt. We're TriStar Bin Cleaning. We have a purpose-built truck that comes to you the day after your trash runs. We use almost 200-degree water, super high pressure. We pick the bin up, we clean, sanitize, and deodorize the inside of your bin, put it back down, and your bin's clean and safe from then on.
Okay, there's no way you have a clean garbage can. You know that. So you all need it. I'm going to put a little video of exactly how this cool truck comes to your house and what it does. Kevin, a little bit more about how important this is right now in this time of everybody trying to be so clean.
Oh, it's extremely important.
Right.
With COVID-19, with all the bacteria that we're trying to get away from right now.
Right.
Every time your trash can gets put into the back of the trash truck, it gets cross-contaminated with the bacteria from all of your neighbors' trash cans and all of your neighbors down the street and around the block, all of their trash cans. It's cross-contaminated, and all of that funk gets pulled back into your garage or onto your back porch or by your back door, and you don't want that stuff anywhere on your property. We come in, we clean that up, we sanitize the can, and when we leave, your trash can has no bacteria left. It's clean.
You know, so many of us try so hard to keep everything so clean in our lives, and then we forget about this one dirty thing. I think it's really important to do. Okay, here at What's Up Nashville, I always ask people 2 questions. Let me ask you, you live in Nashville.
Yeah.
Are you from here originally?
I was born in Nashville. My wife was born in Middle Tennessee, and both my kids were born in Middle Tennessee, so we love it here.
Okay, so if people have moved here, I always ask them why. But if people are from here, I always say, why didn't you leave?
Well, I did leave for a little while, and I came back because this is home.
That's right. What's your favorite thing about Nashville?
Sports, Predators, go Preds.
What about the other guys?
Yeah, they're good. Titans
Okay.
are good, but I'm a Preds guy.
I can't wait till tomorrow. Kevin, you're from here, yes?
I am
No.
not.
No.
So, South Central Kentucky.
Uh-huh.
My wife is a Middle Tennessee native, and of course, all of my kids were born at Baptist Hospital.
Mine too.
So we're quasi-unicorns, but we love Nashville. Nashville's a great place to raise a family.
It
The
is.
climate here is incredible.
It is.
It's we're in the middle of November. We're out in shirt sleeves in Franklin. It's a beautiful afternoon.
I think so too. Okay, I love you guys. I love your company. And What's Up Nashville? We're out. Bye.